Agartala wa Watwi Phaikhe no ti lomoi jingjal achai tongmarok no yakak rinani bagai tini July talni tidok salmari Swrangchati Pragna Bhabano salnai ni bagai brainstorming seminar khwlaikha. PWD tei Water Resource Department ni luachimung bai o seminar no chengsawi lekha Agartala Municipal Corporation ni Mayor Deepak Mojumdar manjakha Deputy Mayor Monica Das Dotto Secretary Kiran Gite Puro Commissioner Saju Bahit no khoboi juda juda tangbedek ni expert rok.
We are also doing nowadays the river bank development program for Howrah, so that will be also expanded in the days to come. We started with a small stretch, and under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Mayor, so we are planning to do it like Sabarmati River, so in a phased manner. In future, we will also work on the Katakal, the development of the Katakal as well as its drainage, as well as linking with the Howrah. So all these works will go on, but lot of that depends on the scientific recommendations. Common sense or thumb rule will not apply. So we have to go by concrete data of hydrology and what are the drainage patterns and what should we do. Like say we had done one STP on Agartala because there was a complaint from Bangladesh that lot of sewage water goes into Bangladesh without treatment. Now similar STP is coming up in the Katakal also. So there is a pressure from Bangladesh side to treat the drainage water and then to be discharged. So that aspect is also there. So that recommendation also should form the part of this. Plus Agartala city, we have seen that lot of pumping stations have been set up. Initially, there were only 4 or 5 pumping stations in the central part of the city. But now I think these pumping stations are now close to 20. Not only that, the size of the pumps as well as the pipes have been increased. Because the efficiency of the drainage or pumping, you can see that within a few minutes also this flood water gets drains on the Akora road from Vidurgata Chomani to Colonel Chomani. In various parts of the city were getting covered. So there was apprehension that open drains are very easy to clean, and then if the drains are closed, how we will clean? So see, most of our apprehensions, they come because of lack of exposure and lack of knowledge. So closed drains does not mean that they are difficult to clean. Closed drains means that they will get very little clogged because of a lot of waste and other material will not be thrown in the drain. And they have a very good system of having a pits after every 20-50 meter depending on the capacity of the drain. And mechanical mode of cleaning has been introduced. We have super suckers, so they were introduced. And a lot of cleaning nowadays happens mechanically. Manual cleaning is also banned by Government of India. Okay, because they don't allow manual cleaning and we have to go for mechanical cleaning. So all these improvements, even we have seen that initially the solid waste used to be dumped on the road. Then after that some bins were introduced. So it used to dump in the bins. Then at times it used to get overflow. Then they used to be carried by open trucks. Then we brought compactors. So I mean to say that technology has to be used for managing the city. And I would like to thank the Revenue Department. I remember last year when there was a presentation before our Chief Secretary. So this proposal was put forth that we should engage expert agency to study and to come up with a report which can be implemented by various departments, and in that meeting it was decided that National Institute of Hydrology, Roorkee, will be engaged for this study. So now, Water Resource Department as well as Revenue Department, they have taken initiative for this brainstorming seminar, and this will go on for 2 days. And we must also look into the past experience, what we have done and what was the impact, what went wrong, and so that can give us an idea that in future we can prevent that. And what we need, say in future, we have to also keep in mind our geopolitical issue regarding the drainage of most of the channels happen in Bangladesh. And once the Katakal or our Howrah or even Kalapania, all these khals, when they enter Bangladesh, there is no proper drainage, channel is not there. So most of the flooding happens in the open fields, and that creates a backflow in the city. So problems of Agartala cannot be solved in isolation. So like say we are working nowadays to do the dredging of Gumti river. So in that case, both the parts are involved, means dredging of the Gumti within India and dredging of Gumti within Bangladesh. So like that, if you want to solve the problems of Agartala city, then we have to also do the work on both the sides. And during our meetings of Joint River Commission, as well as when there are meetings about bordering districts, our counterpart officials in Bangladesh also have shown readiness to become partner. Like say we are having now railway connectivity, we are having a road connectivity, we are also having a water waste connectivity. So if need be, there can be a joint action plan where we drain our khals and rivers, and at the same time also do a work within Bangladesh. Either they can sanction the work, or we can even ask Government of India to sanction, like say we have already funded the railway project. Agartala railway has been fully funded by Minister of External Affairs. So if necessary, we can also request, in the interest of say Agartala, not only Agartala city, but you can see all the towns in our state, major towns. You can take example, Kailash has the same problem. Even Belonia has the same problem. Agartala, at least these three towns are facing acute problem because of the border and cross-border issues. So these reports should also take into consideration these aspects. The Joint River Commission meets at least twice or thrice a year, and our Chief Engineer Water Resource also is a member, and they attend that meeting. So that inputs also can be taken from the Joint River Commission. We have faced same issue in the Peni River also in Sabroom, where there was a plan for drinking water project for Sabroom from the Peni River.
Class 10, 12 pioneer in Bawekya Kotmakaham. China Group of Institute Bangalore Rietu free admission. 3 eligible students in Bawe government scholarship Purianai. Ronnie courses available to GNM and BSc Nursing, BBBSc, MSc, Paramedical and Pharmacy, BBA, BCA, BCom and MBA. College fee nibawe hinke na 199 maninke government scholarship by na pore mainai. Hostel fee moha 4,500 monthly marinai. Seats soha limited and boye dai free na umbo number of contact khedi to admission la rodi.
General surgery tei gynecology camp ngna thangi tongo o July talni 23rd tei 28 salmariwo St Joseph Hospital o health camp ni bagi tongnai Bangalore ni general surgery tei gynecology specialist Dr. Prema burirong ni shakni bemuk tei srairong ni sakni bemuk khobi juda juda bemuk surgery ni bagai appointment tei details ni bagai kurungdi o kokduk number 70852 56702 Nikuma St Joseph Hospital Agartala West Noabadi.